National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 5:30 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rush, or 37 miles southwest of Lyman, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour.